The electric Jungheinrich forklift EJE M15 is ideal for the occasional in-house transport of pallets and goods up to 1,500 kilograms. Handling is easy via the ergonomic draw grip. 2 spring-loaded and damped support rollers ensure safe driving and outstanding stability on bends. The lifting of pallets is simplified thanks to the infeed rollers at the end of the fork. You operate all functions from the multifunction draw head. The emergency off switch on the draw handle is a guarantee of safety. The danger of injury to the operator's feet is restricted significantly thanks to the minimal clearance height of just 35 millimeters. Thanks to its compact construction, the EJE M15 has admirable mobility and can maneuver safely in the tightest spots. The generatory brake ensures economic energy management. The vehicle switches off automatically after 30 minutes if not in operation. Together with the integrated charger, the maintenance-free gel battery ensures flexible use and can simply be plugged in to charge at any 230-volt socket. Take advantage of this favorably priced entry-level opportunity in the Jungheinrich Electrostacker segment and buy the EJE M15. It comes in 4 different variations.